It may have been eradicated nearly 20 years ago, but now measles is back with more than 100 confirmed cases in the U.S. so far this year. And now teenagers who were never vaccinated for the disease are taking matters into their own hands. Let's bring in CityMD Medical Director Dr. Janette Nesheiwat. Janette, good morning.
Good morning, Cheryl.
What is going on? This is a disease that was gone, and now there's a resurgence of it, not just in the U.S., but in other parts of the world. What's happening?
So, Cheryl, the measles is a virus. It's a highly infectious, contagious disease. You catch it when other people are coughing and sneezing on you, and it can be passed also through nasal congestion, secretion, saliva. And what's happening is there's just a lack of information, a lack of education, lack of access to health care, and on top of that, the fear of what could happen, side effects. But this is definitely, measles is definitely on the rise. But the good news is I'm also seeing more people coming in for their MMR, measles, mumps, rubella vaccination. What happens is it's just human nature. People don't see their neighbor that's suffering from measles and suffering from the side effects such as ear infections, and sometimes blindness can occur and hearing loss can occur, pneumonia, inflammation of the brain can occur. So when you don't see that on a regular daily basis, you don't feel that it's that important or it's that serious. But now that people are seeing outbreaks, they're going to get their measles vaccination. It's just a matter of having access to it.
I was going to ask you about this. And by the way, 101 confirmed cases of measles in the U.S. It's in several states. And then also what I think is horrible is that in Madagascar, 922 children at least have died from the measles. And this is according to the World Health Organization, but that is a frightening statistic to me.
It is, absolutely, especially because measles is one of the top leading causes of preventable death by vaccination. So that's shocking. Nobody should die from the measles, and thousands of cases every single year. This is why here in the United States, I commend lawmakers for disallowing vaccine exemptions for ridiculous reasons. And you can go to the health department and get vaccines for free. And as far as teenagers, more power to them. I'm so impressed and inspired by them doing their research and going out and protecting themselves.
Because they're online on social media. And there was another story that broke over the weekend about Facebook going after misinformation. There's reports now that the Russians were behind this anti-vaccination campaign. And at least Facebook now has said they are going to deal with it.
And I commend them for that. Vaccines have been proven to save lives. We once had the measles eradicated, just like polio was once eradicated, because of herd immunity. And so it works. And, I practice medicine based on evidence-based data, and most people benefit from vaccines. Now, some people, they may be allergic to it. They may have side effects. But the majority of people, it saves lives, and it can save them from debilitating life changes.
Dr. Janette Nesheiwat, thank you so much for being here on this story.